Pinag-uusapan nga ngayon sa social media ang nasabing pagre-resign ni Romualdez sa kanyang leadership bilang House Speaker. House leadership change, Romualdez set to resign as Speaker. Ngayon nga ay inabangan na ang nasabing pagpapalit sa liderato ng Kamara Miyerkules September 17. Niresume ni House Deputy Speaker Christine Singson Min ang sesyon pero agad din itong sinuspinde pansamantala. Romualdez, I stand before you today with utmost humility and with deep gratitude for the trust and confidence you have accorded me. The trust has been the source of my strength in every service. Leadership also demands that we confront the trials of the present. In the recent SONA, the President has reminded us that accountability must prevail and that no one is above scrutiny. I fully and unequivocally embrace the call. The issue on certain infrastructure projects have raised questions that weigh not only upon me but upon this institution we all serve. The longer I stay, the heavier the burden grows on me, on this House, and on the President I've always sought to support. After deep reflection and prayer, I have made the decision today with a full heart and a clear conscience. I tender my resignation as Speaker of the House of Representatives. Samantala, matapos ang pagre-resign, isa sa mga matunog na papalit kay House Speaker Martin Romualdez ay si House Deputy Speaker at 6th District Isabela Rep. Faustino Boji III. Ito ay kapartido rin ni Pres Bongbong Marcos, si D sa Partido Federal ng Pilipinas. Siya ay nagsilbi bilang governor ng Isabela at dati na rin naging kongresista para sa 2nd distrito ng probinsya. Nauna nang kinumpirma ni House Deputy Speaker at 1st District Antipolo City Rep. Ronaldo Puno sa News 5 na nakatakdang mag-resign si House Speaker Martin Romualdez ngayong nga pong araw, Miyerkules. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.